हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स सॉल्व. आई एम डिस्कसिंग विथ यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 of exercise 7.2 of the chapter 7 coordinate geometry of class 10th NCERT mathematics. The exercise 7.2 depends on or required for this exercise. Section formula is required. So first of all, we should go for the section formula, and this is the section formula. Means when a line segment, a point divide line segment in the ratio m is to n, then x coordinates given by this formula and y coordinates given by this formula. And now the question number 2 of this exercise is on your screen. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the 2 points 4, -1 and the other point -2, -3. Here the student, trisection means divide into 3 equal parts. ट्राइसेक्शन का मतलब होता है 3 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना, जैसे बाइसेक्टर का मतलब होता है डिवाइड इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो लेट the 2 points be, here be 2 points. Let this point be A, this point be B, and this is line segment AB, A to B. This is line segment AB with A coordinate 4, -1 and coordinate of point B, that is -2, -3. So let this point P and point Q trisect the line joining the points, means A and B, means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. यहाँ पे 3 इक्वल पार्ट हुए, AP 1 part, PQ second part, and Q2B third part. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि the point P divides this line segment into 3 equal parts. So P, we can say AP upon PB, that the ratio is 1:2 or 1:2. Here देखिए, AP 1 part है तो PB डबल पार्ट हुआ, एक पार्ट PQ and other part QB. So we can say that P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2, and Q divides similarly. This point is Q. This point is Q. So Q divides these 2 parts here and 1 part this side. So point Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. ये पॉइंट P AB को 1:2 रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, और पॉइंट Q इस पूरे लाइन सेगमेंट AB को 2:1 रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है. देखिए, हमें किसी पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए x कोऑर्डिनेट्स और y कोऑर्डिनेट्स और रेशियो चाहिए, हमारे पास ये मौजूद है. 4 point P m:n, that is 1/2, and 4 point Q m:n, that is 2:1. So for x coordinate of point P using the section formula, we know the section formula is mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. हम बात करें P कोऑर्डिनेट्स की, और P डिवाइड करता है 1:2 रेशियो में, तो m की वैल्यू अगर 1 है तो n होगा 2. And what is x1? x1 is 4, and what is x2? x2 is -2. So using m is 1, -2 plus n is 2, that is a 4 divided by 1 plus 2, that is 4 to the 8 -2, that is 6/3, that is 2. So x coordinate of point P is 2. Similarly, the y coordinate of the same point will be, using the section formula, that is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M is 1 for and m is 2. 1 plus 2, and what is y2? Y2 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 1. So y2 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 1. So we can say minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5 upon 3, that is minus 5 by 3. So student, here x coordinate of this point P is 2 and y coordinate of the same point P is minus 5 by 3. Therefore, we can say that the coordinates of point P are 2, minus 5 by 3. This is 2 and that is minus 5 by 3. So that is the answer of the first part. And now what about the coordinates of point Q? So for again, now we have to find out the coordinates of point Q. So again, we know that point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. A2P 2 है part है, तो Q2B 1 part है. तो X1 is 4, Y1 is minus 1, X2 is minus 2, Y2 is minus 3, M is 2, and M is 1. So for point Q, M is to N is to 1. So for point Q, x coordinate will be using the section formula again. बार बार आप सेक्शन फॉर्मूला का लिखिएगा, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. m है 2, x2 है minus 2 plus n है 1, x1 है 4 upon m plus 1, 2 plus 1. So देखिए ये रहा x1 minus 2 and sorry x2 minus 2 and x1 4. m is to n, that is already given. If m is equal to, यदि m 2 है तो n 1 है. On further simplification, minus 4 plus 4 upon 3, that is 0. So x coordinate of point Q is 0 using section formula. Similarly, the y coordinate of the same point will be, what is the y coordinate here? Using the same formula, using the section formula, y के लिए we write my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Q के लिए what is m2 and what is n1? So write here 2 1 2 1. What is y2? That is y2 is minus 3. So we write here minus 3. And what is y1? That is minus 1. So we write here minus 1. So 2 minus 3, that is minus 6. 1 into 1, that is minus 1. So 6 minus 1, that is minus 7 upon 3. Therefore, student, the x coordinate of point P is 0 and the x coordinate of point Q is 0 and y coordinate of point Q is minus 7 by 3. So we can say the coordinates of point Q are 0, minus 3. So what are the coordinates of point Q? That is 2, that is 0, minus 7 by 3. That is the answer, student. P coordinate हमारा था, क्या था P coordinate? That is 2, 2 comma minus 5 by 3, that is 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and coordinates of point Q, that is 0 comma minus 7 by 3, and that is answer, and that's all for this question. Thank you very much.